Hello and what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today this video I'm gonna guide you to fix this music is currently unavailable on Instagram. Without further ado, let's dive into the solution. So in the first place you need to open Play Store, search Instagram on your search bar, and then you need to update your Instagram app. Once you updated your Instagram app, go back and check whether your problem is fixed or not. If not, then you need to try out the next method. So now let's talk about the next method. Go to the settings and scroll down. Tap on apps. Tap on manage apps. Now you can search directly Instagram on the search bar. Click on it. So first of all you need to click on force stop, and then you need to clear the cache file of Instagram app. Go to storage and click on clear data. Click on clear cache file only. Make sure that you don't click clear all data. I hope this method will definitely gonna fix your issue. If so, then please let me know in the comment section. If that doesn't fix the issue, then the last thing you can do is you can reinstall your Instagram app. So just uninstall this and go back to Play Store and install this app. So if you are still watching this video, please make sure you subscribe our channel for more authentic video like this. So guys, I have a bonus tips for you. Sometimes poor internet connection might cause this issue, so make sure you check your internet connections. So you can turn on and off your Wi-Fi, or if you are using data you can do the same. If that doesn't fix the issue, you can restart your router. I hope this will definitely gonna help.
Hopefully this video helped you to fix your issue. Make sure you subscribe our channel so that you could enjoy the trustworthy and well-researched video on tech-related issue. Have a great day guys. Bye bye.